Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today I'm going to show you how to use the TikTok app, one of the most popular platforms in the world for short, fun and viral videos. Whether you're here to watch, create or grow your followers, I'll walk you through everything you need to get started. Let's go. TikTok is a short form video app where users post videos ranging from 15 seconds to 10 minutes. It's a mix of comedy, music, fashion, food, dance, education and many more. Now let's get into how to use it. First, you need to go to the App Store and download your app. If you haven't, you go to the App Store, then search TikTok on your search bar at the top of the page. And once this icon pops up, tap on that, and you'll have the install button right here. So tap on your install button and then open up your app. Once you've opened up, sign up using your phone, email or Google Apple account. Now when you open the app, you land on the For You page. You can just swipe up to scroll through videos. If you follow someone, their videos will appear on the following tab. So here's the following tab besides For You. Then if you enjoy a video, you can tap the heart icon or double tap on the screen. Then you can tap to comment or use the arrow icon. And then you can tap to comment or use the arrow icon to share it with your friends. Now to follow someone, tap the plus icon. Now if you want to follow someone or search for someone, you can use the search bar at the top of the page. Tap on the search icon, then search your friend. Now to create a post, tap the plus icon in the middle at the bottom of the page. To record a video or upload clips from your gallery, here's the gallery icon. You can also add sound at the top to choose music or random audio. So here's the add sound option at top of the page. And then you right from here, you can use filters, timers, transitions or ARX to boost your comment. Then you can also add captions, stickers or text to explain or decorate your video. Then write a short caption and add relevant hashtags like FYP or hashtag funny videos to reach more people that post and your video goes live. Now you can also explore live or live streams. So here's the live at the top of the page at your left. Here's the live option. You can see people who are live from here, and you can also check inbox for messages and likes. So at the bottom of the page you have the inbox icon right here. Tap on that, your messages and notifications. Beside the inbox icon you have the profile icon, so tap on that, and then here you can change your bio and edit your profile pictures and your post. You can also manage your followers, and at the top you have the 3 horizontal lines. Go to that and you'll have the settings and privacy options. You can go to that and then manage your account right from here. You can also switch your account if you have any other accounts. And that is all about TikTok. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if you did and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.